Kumusta mga kamayaman? Makulimlim man ang ating araw ngayon. Mainit na mainit ang pagtanggap ng iSwim sa inyong kamayaman. At hindi ko na patatagalin, ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang ama ng iSwim, Coach Arman.
Hi,
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka rin? Mabuti naman ng aming kalagayan. Strong and healthy.
Strong and healthy. Marami sa inyo ang kagaya ko ay na-curious. Sino ba ang nagpasimula ng iSwim at ano ba ang kanyang mga qualifications? Bakit siya naging coach at bakit siya karapat-dapat na samahan bilang leader sa pag-swimming? Coach!
Yes, at your service, this is Coach Arman from Manila, Philippines. My qualification includes Philippine Red Cross Lifeguard 3 times, Singapore Life Saving Society, because I work in Singapore. Then followed by I work in Dubai. I take also Dubai Lifeguard Life Saving Society, and again transfer to Macau as I take also the Lifeguard Red Cross Macau, and back also to the Philippines, another lifeguard from Subic, Zambales, and for the hotel and resorts. And I also have the international swimming certification. This includes the Australian swim teachers and the international open water certifications. Coach.
All right, ang haba. So, hindi na kayo magtataka mga kamayaman kung bakit magagaling at mabilis matuto yung kanyang mga tinuturuan na libre. Take note, libre ang kanyang mga klase sa iSwim. Yung mga nagtataka dyan, sino ba si Coach Arman? Ayan na, panoorin nyo ng paulit-ulit ang ating video na to at malalaman nyo at tandaan nyo ang kanyang mga qualifications. Coach,
Yes.
on the lighter side, nakakatuwa na yung mga estudyante mo, iba-iba ang estado ng kanilang mga edad. Ano ang nararamdaman mo na yung habang kinakausap natin sila, makikita mo sa kanilang mga mukha yung kasiyahan?
Of course, number one is super happy. And besides, the word I swim has its meaning. First, I swim to be healthy and strong. I swim for happiness. I swim to join open water races. I swim to see the beauty of nature. I swim for innovations. And I swim to inspire. And I swim to motivate peoples. That's the motto itself. And all of my members, it speak for the word I swim. That's why they are so much happy, fun, healthier.
Coach, sabihin mo sa amin, kailan nagsimula ang iSwim?
Okay, iSwim was started in 2023, 2-3 years ago. When I see the race, we need Philippine group or Philippine community to join open water races in Hong Kong for them to motivate or add on for their holiday or Sunday off day activities. This is the alternatives swimming activities or sports activities. Well, swimming is lifelong skills.
Yeah.
You might help or you might become instructor or coach within your family.
Nagsimula ang iSwim para sa sarili.
Yes.
Ano ang nag-udyok sa'yo para ibahagi sa iba yung mga skills na meron ka? Kasi panahon mo, gugugulin mo dyan. Minsan baka naggagastos ka pa dyan. Ano yung mga nagtulak sa'yo para i-share ang iyong knowledge? Hindi madali ang pagtuturo.
iSwim speak for itself. I means I motivate. I inspires. Therefore, I want to share my knowledge, ideas, skills, and expertise to fellow Filipino OFW in Hong Kong to add on for their sports activities. This is swimming. So join us in swimming activities. My motivation is to spread, to share, because swimming is lifelong skills that you can teach your kids, families, and friends. So why not join a wholehearted inspirations?
Oo nga, kasi parang nakita ko, ako personally, thank you for the service. Kasi libre po yun. Mga
Libre, yes,
kamayaman.
that's correct. It's free.
Libre.
We only wanted
Ang
is
mahal
your
ng
time.
swimming class dito sa Hong Kong.
Yes, mahal, yes.
Ano-ano yung mga challenges na kinaharap mo nung maitatag mo na yung iSwim? Kasi alam ko maraming, may mga narinig ako, sino ba siya? Ano ba siya? Pero katulad na nga ng sinabi ko, ngayon na alam natin yung kanyang mga qualifications, ano yung mga, nung hindi pa nila alam na yun yung mga qualifications mo, ano yung mga challenges?
Number one challenge is Filipino attitude is quite
Hinihila
different.
ka pababa.
Yes, they will pull you down. There's a greediness, and
Jealousy.
some insecurities. So because they don't know who I am, they don't know my qualification, but they see my heart. That's why I want to share. So there is instinct of helping others.
Nakarinig ka ba ng mga, sino naman yan? Ba't yan nagtuturo? May mga ganun ba?
Yes, there's a lot of critics, but my answer is I am a ballroom dancer, so be with me anytime.
Ballroom dancer na ako.
As well as, no, because I'm a rescuer, because I'm a lifeguard. So
okay.
being a rescuer, the instinct of helping others is within yourself. Ganon.
So hinayaan mo lang sila na magdadaldal na
Yeah,
hindi nyo naman ako kilala.
Let it be like that. It will pass.
Okay. So,
Then additionally, we are iSwim, and there is also another team which is I also part of the coaching. It's Hong Kong Connect.
okay.
You can join.
Kay Coach Jay,
yeah.
dati nasa lang.
You can join the Hong Kong Connect. If you cannot find iSwim, Hong Kong Connect will be your pathway. That is the gateway to reach us, because we don't have Facebook account. So we have a little bit social media account. But Hong Kong Connect, they are open. Just come in our training day every Sunday. It's free. Just bring your Google Cup, bring yourself, and you're confident. Don't be shy. We are here to help you.
So, tuwing linggo, eto na ang buhay mo dito sa Hong Kong.
Yeah. This is our life. And after swimming, I go to my cooking class. I go to my ballroom dance class.
Gusto ko sumali sa ballroom
and but number one is swimming.
Okay.
I am a man of activities.
Okay.
I'm teaching other skills, martial arts.
Ilang taon ka na dito sa Hong Kong?
I'm just new here in Hong Kong, but working abroad is just like 20 years.
So, overall?
Overall, 20 years. Hong
But in
Kong
Hong
is just maybe 8 years.
8 years, matagal na din yun.
8 years Macau, 8 years.
Okay.
Yan.
So, mga kamayaman, ang kanyang motivation sa pagtuturo ng libre ay just to be kind to everyone.
Yes, that's to be
Yun
kind.
lang
You must
yun.
be kind.
Kahit na maraming yap sa iba, alam naman natin minsan, mga Pilipino mentality, yung pinupul ka pababa.
Yeah.
Jealousy. Pero katulad ng kanyang sinabi, forget about them.
Yeah, that's my signature move.
Okay.
Okay,
Sasayaw niya lang daw yan. Kasi he's also a ballroom dancer.
Join us in May 24. We have also May 1.
Okay. So Coach, may mga gusto ka pa bang sabihin? Ilan na ang estudyante mo ngayon na hina-hands-on mo?
Too many to mention, but regularly iSwim is 20. 20 for iSwim, and
Wow.
Hong Kong Connect
It's a big
is
number.
we are keep on growing. In Hong Kong Connect, they are, I think, more than 100. But
You will keep on growing kasi nga libre, number one. And nakikita yung mga estudyante mo lumalaban and open water. Ihagis mo sila doon. 63 years old na si Ate Adele, hindi siya mawala sa isip ko. Anong nararamdaman mo pagka nakikita mo silang very confident na sa tubig?
overflowing of happiness. Number one yan.
Very proud, I'm
Very
sure.
proud, yeah. Andun ako palagi, support, moral support, and on-site support, and they call it water support. So whenever they go during training, I'm next to them. So hindi ko pinababayaan.
Yung nga sabi ni Ate Adele kanina, sabi niya kinakabahan din ako pero tinahanap ka daw niya. Nasaan si Coach? Pag nakita ka na daw niya, ano na siya, confident.
Yeah, Especially pag meron kaming long swim, andun ako sa likod. Ako yung nasa, para let them go first, then I go next. I don't want to go first, but I go behind.
Okay, napakagandang advocacy yan ng pagtulong ng libre. Yan si Kabayan Kamayaman Armand. Mga kamayaman, iisa lamang ang ating bansang sinilangan. Kung kaya sana dito sa Hong Kong, I encourage everyone na wag magsiraan, wag maghilahan pababa, kundi sumuporta sa mga taong kagaya ni Coach Arman na tumutulong ng libre sa mga kapwa natin, domestic helpers on their own little way. Actually, it's not a little way kasi ang laki ng
malaki,
nagagawa ng swimming, not just for the mental health, physical, and sa ating trabaho, kailangan natin ng lakas. So, Coach Arman, baka may mga mensahe ka pa at gusto ko pang sabihin na hindi ko na itanong.
Join us every Sunday swimming. The purpose of this team is to get more participants in open water. So let the Filipino community in swimming be well known. So kailangan magparami. Humayo kayo at magparami sa dagat. Ganun. So join us in swimming activities. Actually maganda. Mas maganda. So dagdagan nyo ang sports activities nyo. This includes swimming and others. Good? So go tayo.
Okay, mga kamayaman. Like I've said, natuto ako sa ibang grupo, pero it doesn't matter. Iisa lamang tayo, pare-pareho lang yan. And soon in the future, sasama ako sa kanilang grupo dahil gusto ko ng open water.
Yes.
And, tingnan natin. At ito naman ay libre. So, mga kamayaman, kung hindi nyo pa nadidiscover ang swimming, like I've said, i-DM lamang ang Hong Kong Connect or sa akin mismo and I will transfer you sa kanilang mga coordinators. Yan muna, mga kamayaman. Ako pa rin ang inyong kasama, kakwentuhan, katulong dito sa Hong Kong, Maria. Masalama at
Mabuhay!